As most of you know, I love getting killer deals on sneakers and then sharing it with the internet. Without fail, I'm back with this pair of Air Max 1s that I picked up from my local Nike outlet. This specific pair of Air Max 1s is a premium retro model. Normally with a suggested retail price of $150, they were marked down to $79.99. I caught these on a weekend when the store was doing an additional 30% off, so these came out to a very reasonable $55.99. The premium title on the box label definitely comes into play here, as the feel and materials on these are great. Starting at the toe and the ankle, you can find this gray mesh, along with a Nike swoosh on the mid panel and this leather material in the same gray color. The laces are also the gray color, which is a nice contrast to the earth tones to this sneaker. The various olives are the highlight of the shoe, starting with this deep olive color that wraps around the entire bottom half of the shoe from the toe box all the way to the end of the heel. Above that on the mid panel, you have a lighter olive color that wraps around the top half of the shoe. Along with the aforementioned gray mesh, you also have this contrast of white through the Nike Air embroidery on the back heel, as well as a white midsole with a visible air unit. To close out, you can see this bright red accenting on the top eyelet and tongue branding, which I think is a great touch. Now $56 for a pair of Air Max 1s is a great deal in itself, but when I found out what these were, I got even more excited. After a quick Google search, I found out these were part of the Curry Pack that Nike released in May of 2018. A lot of sneaker sites were dubbing these as a collaboration between Atmos and Nike, but after some research on the internet and Atmos' Instagram page, there is nothing that indicates the tie despite the various articles. Regardless, this green Curry pays homage to the original Curry Air Max 1 that released in 2003, hence the retro title on the label. These green Curries are one of 3 colorways, with the 2 other being a red variant and the original brown. NiceKicks.com put out this great article discussing the importance of the original Curry Air Max 1, claiming it as one of the best general release Nikes ever. It is a great read, and I'll have it linked in the description below. I love that this Curry Pack has a concept and a story to it. They're not just generic colorways with random color blocking that Nike slaps onto a classic silhouette and pushes it out to the public. I was actually so excited about these that I decided to wear them on March 26th, Air Max Day. It was fitting too, especially since my office is right next to Nike's flagship store on 5th Ave in New York City. People definitely didn't like them as much as I do, so unfortunately they've been popping up in outlets and online for way under retail. If you dig this pair, or the 2 other colorways in the Curry Pack, it should be pretty easy for you to get a good price on them. But that wraps it up for this one. Let me know what you guys think of these green Curry Air Max 1s. Did I get a good deal on them? Would you buy them? I'd love to read about it in the comments. If you support what I'm doing, feel free to drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.